In 2023, I was lost. I was broke. I was undisciplined. I used to scroll for hours on my phone, dreaming of success, but doing absolutely nothing to achieve it. Sound familiar? That's because so many of us fall into this trap, wanting change, but not taking action. But something clicked for me. I realized that success isn't about luck. It's about habits, discipline, and making uncomfortable decisions that your future self will thank you for. It wasn't easy. I had to ask myself the hard questions. Why am I wasting time? Why am I sabotaging my own potential? And the scariest one, what happens if I stay this way? So, I changed. And trust me, change is painful, but staying the same is far worse. I started with 3 core principles that completely transformed my life. And if you apply these, 2025 will be your year too. Principle 1, ruthless discipline. Most people don't lack time. They lack priorities. You've got 24 hours in a day, just like everyone else. But how you use them, that's what separates the successful from the stagnant. I committed to a morning routine. I'd wake up at 5 a.m., hit the gym, and plan my day. It wasn't about motivation. It was about showing up, even when I didn't feel like it. If you want to change your life, start by changing your habits. Build discipline like a muscle. Small, consistent actions lead to massive results. Principle 2, relentless learning. In 2023, I thought I knew everything. But guess what? The world moves fast, and if you're not learning, you're falling behind. I started reading 1 book a week, not just for knowledge, but for perspective. Books on mindset, business, personal development, whatever would sharpen my mind. You don't need to read 50 books to succeed, but you need to stay curious. Learn a skill that's in demand. Invest in your growth, because in 2025, those who adapt will thrive. Principle 3, massive action. Let me tell you something. Ideas are worthless without execution. You can have the perfect plan, but if you don't act on it, nothing changes. I stopped waiting for the perfect moment. I started a side hustle with what I had. I reached out to people who inspired me, even when it felt scary. And every single step forward built momentum. So, stop overthinking. Stop procrastinating. Take messy, imperfect action, because no one's coming to save you. It's all on you. In 2023, I was at my lowest, but I'm proof that no matter where you're starting from, you can change your story. You just need to commit to these 3 things: ruthless discipline, relentless learning, massive action. 2025 is your opportunity, your clean slate. But it's up to you to make it count. Don't just watch this video and feel inspired. Do something. Start today. Because the only thing standing between you and success is you. If this hit home, let me know in the comments. What's one thing you'll start doing today to change your future? And don't forget to like and share this video, because someone out there needs to hear this too. Let's make 2025 our best year yet.